Hi students, welcome back to Evershine Coaching Center. Myself, Shah Sir here. Dear students, today we are going to continue the chapter of class 10th Mathematics Coordinate Geometry. In the previous session, we have covered the basics related to coordinate geometry and about discussed formula and related terms we have discussed. And also we have solved example number 1 of this chapter. So this video, any students who belongs to class 10th or class 9th, they can watch this video. Maybe they belongs to Karnataka State Board syllabus or CBSE Central Board syllabus or ICSE syllabus. Any students can watch this video, and definitely it will be very much helpful for you for your academic board exams. Dear students, one challenging thing in this is, what is that? The part is, whatever the videos you are watching, maybe the time is like it's more, but here we are covering the syllabus in depth. So you want to watch the entire video, understand the concepts, copy down the points, copy down the problems and practice it. That is what the main challenging part. I can see that most of them just they will watch in the beginning some part of the video and just they will quit. There is no use of it, children. You should have first important thing is patience. Until unless you doesn't have the patience in your life, it's very difficult to sustain and proceed further. The important thing is patience. Now you have to create a challenge in yourself like, yes, I must have to do this. First I have to complete this, then only I will do my rest of the work. So that is what the challenging part. So my dear students, here we are doing these all things just for your benefit. Okay, your result is my result and my result is nothing but your result. Children, here we are covering the complete syllabus. Still, if you want any chapter, maybe it belongs to any of the syllabus or any standard, please in the below comment box you can comment me what is your doubt, what is the problem you want, which chapter you are facing difficult and so that I will come and I will share your doubts. Do not worry, I am here. I will try my level best to help you all. Okay, let it be mathematics or science, social or Kannada. We are here to help you all. Now let's begin with this chapter, coordinate geometry. One thing, children, before we start up this session, I just like to say only one thing. If you have not subscribed our YouTube channel Evershine Coaching Groups, do subscribe it and make others also to subscribe and follow us so that every instant we are with you. Okay, so and also one more thing, like this video, click the like button, share this video to your all friends, put in the status or any social media. So let this information transfer to the others. The one who is in need, definitely it will be benefited for them. Don't think it's not made for me. Definitely if it is not made for you, then it will be benefited or it is made for someone. So just we have to transfer it so that it will be very much helpful for each and everyone. So now we are going to continue the chapter coordinate geometry. Example number 2. Let's see. Yes, observe your students. Example number 2, what is the question? Show that the points 1, 7, 4, 2, minus 1, minus 1 and minus 4, plus 4 are the vertices of a square. Children, here we have to prove these all points are the vertices of a square. Now you all knows the property of a square. What is the property of a square? If you want to say any figure as a square, what should be the condition, children? all the sides should be same, right? ಅಗರ್ से आपको कोई भी ಫಿಗರ್ ಕು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ बोलना है, ನೀವು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಫಿಗರ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇದೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್? all the sides should be equal and all the diagonals are also equal. उनके diagonals भी equal होना है और sides भी equal होना है. जैसे कि for an example, what does that mean? Suppose this is a square. Let me say these are the points A, B, C and D. These are the four vertices of a square. So we have to prove here AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to DA. It means all the four sides are same, are equal. And also diagonals, can you see these corners? DB or BD and AC. So even these two diagonals are also should be equal. Then only we can say the given points are the vertices of a square. Now we are going to prove this. So first what we do, let first point be A. So what is the points? That is 1, 7. Okay, this is A. And next let B be the point, that is 4, 2. And then C, let it be as -1, -1. And D, let it be -4, +4. So it's easy. Actually it looks very bigger or very complex, but concept is very simple, children, believe me. So first we are going to find the distance between A and B. Can you see the distance AB? So we are finding this distance first, AB. So in AB first you write A coordinates and B coordinates. So what are the coordinates of A? That is 1, 7. What are the coordinates of B? That is nothing but 4, 2. So always remember the first coordinates will be x1, y1 and second coordinate will be x2 and y2. Got it? Now remember, children, what is x1 value? That is +1. What is x2 value? That is +4. Remember, x1 is +1, x2 is +4. Similarly, what is y1? That is 7. And what is y2? That is +2. So y2 value is +2. Just we have to write only one time formula, the distance formula. So what is the distance formula? That is D is equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is our distance formula. Am I right? So the distance formula is what, children? Root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now which distance we are finding here? The distance between A and B, that is AB. So AB is equals to root of x2. What is the value of x2? +4 minus what is the value of x1? That is +1 whole square plus what is the value of y2? +2 minus what is the value of y1? +7 whole square. That is equals to root of 4 minus 1, that is 3 whole square plus 2 minus 7. In 2 can we subtract 7? No, it is not possible. Then we should write minus. Then you have to do opposite calculation. That is 7 minus 2, that is 5 whole square. That is equals to root of 3 square is 9 plus minus 5 whole square means minus 5 into minus 5. That is minus into minus plus 5 5s are 25. That is equals to root of 25 plus 9. How much, children? That is 34. So this is what AB. So AB is equals to root 34 units. Then we are finding the distance between, after AB, let me find the distance, that is BC. So again we write the B coordinates. So what are the coordinates of B? That is 4, 2. And what are the coordinates of C? That is -1, -1. So let me say this is x1, this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. This is the data. Let me write in the formula, that is BC is equals to root of x2. What is x2, children? So x1 is +4, x2 is -1. Remember, and what is y1? y1 is plus 2 and y2 is minus 1. y2 is minus 1. So x2, that is minus 1, x2 minus x1, that is plus 4 whole square, plus y2 is minus 1 minus y1 is plus 2 whole square, that is equals to root of minus 1 minus 4. If both are minus, okay, when we are adding both are minus, then we should write minus, but we should add 1 plus 4, that is 5, that is minus 5 whole square, plus minus 1 minus 2, that is minus 3 whole square. Root of minus 5 whole square is 25 plus minus 3 whole square is 9. Is it correct? Wrong. Why? Because this root should come for the complete term. Now it is correct. Do remember this. So root of 25 plus 9, that is 34. So BC is equals to root 34 units. Now we got AB, then we got BC. Now what do we need to find, children? We need to find, after AB, BC, now we should find CD. Remember, we need to find which value now? CD. So now to find CD, what are the coordinates of C, children? Do you remember? We have just copied down. So the coordinates of C are, AB we have done, BC we have done, now CD. The coordinates of C are minus 1 comma minus 1, and the coordinates of D are, what are the coordinates of D? Minus 4 comma plus 4. Now remember, this is x1 and this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. Now we are finding the distance between CD, that is CD is equals to root of x2, that is minus 4 minus x1. Remember, x1 value is minus 1 and x2 value is minus 4, right? Similarly, y1 is minus 1 and y2 is plus 4. The value of y2 is plus 4. Remember? So here x1, that is minus 4, sorry, x1 value, x2, formula is x2 minus x1, right? So what is the value of x2? That is minus 4 minus x2 minus x1. What is x1? 1 minus 1. So one more minus we are getting. So we write in bracket minus 1 whole square. Remember, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2, that is 4 minus y1 is minus 1. So we write in bracket whole square. It is completely under square root. So root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then minus 4 minus into minus, that is plus 1 whole square plus 4 minus into minus plus 1 whole square, that is equals to root of minus 4 plus 1, that is plus 1. In 1 can we subtract 4? No. No means minus. Then do opposite calculation, that is 4 minus 1, that is 3 whole square plus 4 plus 1, that is 5 whole square. Then root of minus 3 whole square, that is plus 9. Minus into minus plus, 3 3s are 9 plus 5 square, that is 25. So 25 plus 9, that is root 34 units. So the value of CD is root 34 units. Done. After finding CD, now we should find DA, right? We are finding the distance between D and A. So what are the coordinates of D? Minus 4 comma plus 4. And what are the coordinates of A? That is 1 comma 7, right? Then this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, and then this is y2. Then DA is equals to root of x2, that is plus 1, minus x1 is minus 4. So we write in bracket whole square plus y2, that is 7, minus y1, that is plus 4 whole square. So root of 1 minus into minus is plus 4 whole square plus 7 minus 4, that is 3 whole square. So root of 1 plus 4, that is 5 whole square, plus 3 square is 9. So root of 5 square is 25 plus 9, that is root 25 plus 9, that is 34 units. Now we can see that the distance between AB, BC, CD and DA all are root 34 units. It means all the sides are equal. Now still our answer has not got end. Okay, still we have to check the diagonals. Still we need to check the diagonals. Remember, so what are the diagonals? A, B, C, D. So what is the diagonal? First diagonal, that is AC. We need to find the distance between A and C, and then B and D. So what are the coordinates of A? That is, A coordinates are 1 comma 7 and C coordinates are what, children? Minus 1 comma minus 1. Correct? AC, this is x1, this is y1, x2 and this is y2. So AC, that is nothing, so AC is equals to root of x2, that is minus 1, minus x1, that is 1 whole square, plus y2, that is minus 1, minus y1, that is plus 7 whole square. So root of minus 1 minus 1, both are minus, so we should add, minus remains same, that is minus 2 whole square, plus minus 1 minus 7, that is minus 8 whole square. Then root of minus 2 whole square, that is plus 4, plus minus 8 whole square, that is 64. So root of 64 plus 4, that is 68. So AC is equals to root 68 units. So after finding AC, can you remember the diagonal? I said you A, B, C, D. So AC is one diagonal and BD is another diagonal. So now we are finding the distance between B and D. Remember? So what are the coordinates of B? BD or DB? Both are one and the same. No need to worry. So BD. So the coordinates of B are 4 comma 2. And what are the coordinates of D? That is minus 4 comma plus 4. Then this is x1, y1, x2 and y2. Then BD is equals to root of x2, that is minus 4, minus x1, that is plus 4 whole square, plus y2, that is 4, minus y1, that is 2 whole square. So root of minus 4 minus 4, both are minus, we should add, minus remains same, that is minus 8 whole square, plus 4 minus 2, that is 2 whole square. So root of minus 8 whole square, minus into minus, plus 8 8s are 64, plus 2 square is 4. So root of 64 plus 4, that is 68. So BD is equals to root 68 units. So from here we can conclude that therefore AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to DA, all are root 34 units. It means all the sides are equal. And also we can see that AC is equals to BD, that is equals to root 68 units. So from here we can conclude that therefore all the sides and diagonals are equal. Hence the given points forms the vertices of a square. That's it. So the given point form the vertices of a square. I hope you have understood this. Example number 2. Now let me solve example number 3. Yes, observe your students. Here, next question, example number 3. From the given figure, it shows the arrangement of desks in a classroom. Means they have shown the arrangement of desks. You can see there is a table over here. Here we have 3 students, Ashima, Bharati and Kamila are seated at A, position A, okay, that is coordinates are 3, 1 and B 6, 4 and C 8, 6 respectively. Do you think that they are seated in a line? Now we want to check whether they are sitting in the same line or not and give reason for your answer. If they are sitting also, you should give me the reason, and if they are not sitting in a line also, you are supposed to give the reason. Now we are going to solve this problem. Okay, children, here you can observe, the table. Okay, see children, can you see the figure? Can you see the figure, children? Yeah. Now here we can see the coordinates of A. The coordinates of A. So what is the coordinate of A? It is, can you see the position of A here? Can you see, children, the position of A? It's this, right? So this is the position of A and this is the position of B. Actually they have given in the problem itself, and this is the position of C, right? So the position of A, what are the coordinates of A? That is x, y, that is 3, 1. And what is the coordinate of B? Can you see? 6, 4. And the coordinates of C, that is 8, 6. Now we have to check whether they are forming a straight line, whether they are sitting in a same line or not. That is Ashima, Bharati and Kamila. These 3 students are sitting in a line or not. It means that here we have to prove they are collinear. Remember the note, actually this is a note, okay? Note means you need to remember. If all the points lie on the same line, then it is said to be collinear, right? If all the points lie on the same line, then it is said to be collinear. Sometimes they may ask you to prove the given points are collinear. Like that also they will ask you the same problem. They may ask you to prove they are collinear. Collinear is nothing but they are lying on the same straight line. Example, if this is the line, all the 3 points should lie on the same line. If this is the line, all these 3 points should lie on the same line. That is called as collinear. Children, if we have to prove if it is a collinear, then it should satisfy the condition, that is AB plus BC, the sum of 2 sides should be equal to the third side. That is AB plus BC should be equal to AC or CA. If this condition satisfies, then we can say that the given points are collinear. This is note. In exam you no need to write, just you have to remember this basics. Okay, if all the points lie on the same line, then it is said to be collinear. If you have to prove the given problem as collinear, then you have to prove here that the sum of the first 2 sides should be equal to the third side. That is AB plus BC should be equal to CA. Got it, children? Now first let me take the LHS part. Okay, before telling as LHS, we do one thing. So first let me find the values of AB, BC and CA. Okay, so first I am going to find the distance between A and B, that is AB. So what are the coordinates of A? That is 3, 1, and the coordinates of B are 6, 4. Got it? So 3 is x1, 1 is y1. 6 is x2, 4 is y2, that is AB. So we know the distance formula is d is equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Always you have to highlight the main formula. So between what points we are finding the distance? We are finding the distance between A and B, that is AB. So AB is equals to root of x2, the value of x2 is plus 6 minus x1, that is 3 whole square, plus y2, that is 4 minus y1, that is plus 1 whole square. So is equals to root of 6 minus 3, how much? That is 3 whole square, plus 4 minus 1, what? That is 3 whole square. Are you getting, children? Are you getting these steps? Good. That is nothing but, that is equals to root of 3 square, that is 9, plus 3 square, that is 9. 9 plus 9, not 81. We are adding, not multiplying. Be careful. 9 plus 9, that is root 18. Now, can we reduce that into its simplest form? Let me check. That is root of 18. 18 is, which is the perfect square? First, that is 4. In 4 tables, will we get 18? No. Next, which is the perfect square? That is 3 3s are 9. So 9 is the perfect square. So in 9 tables we get 18. Yes, 9 2s are 18. Got it? So what is square root of 9? That is 3. This is root 2. So AB is equals to 3 root 2 units. So the value of AB is 3 root 2 units. Now we are finding the distance between B and C, that is BC. So what are the coordinates of B? The coordinates of B were 6, 4, right? That is 6, 4. And what are the coordinates of C in the given problem? The coordinates of C are, C is what, children? Let me to check. The coordinates of C is 8, 6. That is 8, 6. Anyways, x1, y1, x2 and y2. Then we are finding the distance between B and C, right? That is BC is equals to root of x2. x2 is plus 8 minus x1 is plus 6 whole square, plus y2 is plus 6 minus y1 is plus 4 whole square. So that is equals to root of 8 minus 6, that is 2 whole square, plus 6 minus 4, that is 2 whole square. So root of 2 square is 4 plus 2 square is 4. So 4 plus 4, that is 8. We are adding. So 8 is even number? Yes. That is equals to root of 4. Perfect square is 4. 4 into 2, that is 8. What is square root of 4? That is 2. Then root 2 as it is. So BC is equals to 2 root 2 units. So BC is equals to 2 root 2 units. So we got AB, we got BC. Now what should we find? Now what we need to find? That is AC or CA. AC or CA. So shall we find that? Yes. So if you want to, you can take AC or you can take CA. It's up to you. No problem. If you want CA, you can take CA itself. It's not an issue. So C. So what are the coordinates of C? Just now we got, that is 8, 6. And coordinates of A, that is 3, 1. So 3, 1. Anyways, so this is x1, this is y1 and x2 and this is y2. So CA is equals to root of x2, that is plus 3, minus x1, that is plus 8 whole square, plus y2, that is plus 1 minus y1, that is plus 6 whole square. Is it correct? No. It should come under square root. No, it is correct. That is equals to root of 3 minus 8. In 3 can we subtract 8? No. So minus. Then 8 minus 3, that is 5 whole square, plus 1 minus 6. In 1 can we subtract 6? No. means minus. 6 minus 1, that is 5 whole square, that is equals to root of minus 5 whole square, means minus 5 into minus 5. Minus into minus plus, 5 5s are 25. Same way, plus minus 5 whole square is 25. So root of 25 plus 25, that is 50, is equals to root of 25 2s are 50. Root 25 is 5 root 2. So CA is equals to 5 root 2 units. Now what should be our condition? Therefore, what should be the LHS? LHS should be, that is AB plus BC. So how much is AB? 3 root 2 plus BC 2 root 2. Can we see both the sides root 2 root 2? Yes. So root 2 is common, means like third. 3 plus 2, that is 5. So what is the LHS part? 5 root 2. Understood? Then RHS. So what is the RHS? 5 root 2. Okay. That is CA. RHS means CA. RHS is equals to CA. That is equals to 5 root 2. So therefore LHS is equals to RHS. Now we can say that AB plus BC is equals to CA. AB plus BC is equals to CA. Understood? Hence we can conclude that hence A, B and C lie on the same line. Okay, since they are asking whether they lie on the same line or not, so we have to say A, B and C lie on the same line. If they were asking the question like is there collinear, then you should say that A, B and C are collinear. Same, instead of same line you should write collinear word. So what question they are asking, as per that you have to give the answer. Got it? So hence we have proved. I hope you have understood this problem. I am right? Very good, children. Now let me solve the next problem. Yes, observe here the next problem. Here what is the question? Find a relation between x and y. He is asking us to find the relation between x and y such that the point x comma y is equidistant from the points 7 comma 1 and 3 comma 5. So what exactly the meaning of this question? Let's see, children. So here we have 2 points. Here we have 2 points. So the first point is 7 comma 1. So the coordinates are 7 comma 1 and second point coordinate is 3 comma 5. So these are the 2 points. Here the question is find the relation between x and y such that the point x comma y, we have a point, can you see this point x comma y? So this x comma y is equidistant, means from x comma y, equi means equal, distant means distance. From x comma y, okay, 7 comma 1 you measure or 3 comma 5 you measure, it maintains the same distance. It means we have in middle, in center, the point that is x comma y. Understood? Let me say this 7 comma 1 as point A, 3 comma 5 as point B and x comma y as point P. Okay, let P be the coordinates of x comma y. Okay, x comma y coordinates. Okay, so P be the point. So here from P, if you measure A, what is the distance? Same distance it is there from P to B, that is called as equidistant. Understood? So x comma y is equidistant, means P has from P to A, that is from P to 7 comma 1, what distance we have? Same distance we have from P to, that is 3 comma 5, that x comma y to 3 comma 5. So let A be the point who's having the coordinates 7 comma 1 and comma B be the coordinate that is 3 comma 5 and P be the coordinate that is x comma y. So we know that WKT means we know that from distance from P to A or A to P, okay, the distance from P to A, that is equals to the distance from P to B. That is what given in the problem. So we know that PA is equals to PB. From P to A, what distance we have? Same distance we have from P to B. That is PA is equals to PB. That is already given in the problem. By using this condition, we have to find the relation between X and Y. We have to find the relation between X and Y. This is the given question. So first let we find PA. So the LHS part here is PA. Are you getting, children? So we are finding the value of PA. Okay. Now what are the coordinates of P? That is X comma Y. What are the coordinates of A? That is 7 comma 1. So let me say this is X1 and this is Y1 and X2 and Y2. What is the value of X1? That is X. What is the value of Y1? That is Y. What is the value of X2? That is plus 7. The value of Y2 is plus 1. Got it, children? So first let me write the formula. So D is equals to root of X2 minus X1 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square. So this is our standard formula. Now we are finding the distance from P to A, that is PA. That is equals to root of X2, that is 7 minus X1, that is X whole square, plus Y2, that is 1 minus Y1, that is Y whole square. Got it, children? That is root of 7 minus X whole square plus 1 minus Y whole square. Children, one thing I like to tell you that whenever you get any complex terms, जब भी आपको कुछ बड़े नंबर्स दिखाई दिए रूट के अंदर ಯಾವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನು ಮಾಡಿ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಟ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಲೆಟ್ ವಿ ಸೇ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅವರ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದೋಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. Remember this. Just substitute those values here. Here only if you solve everything, इधर ही आप सब पॉइंट्स को इधर ही सॉल्व करने गए तो आपको स्टेप्स बहुत बड़े दिखेंगे, साथ साथ बहुत डिफिकल्ट होगा कैलकुलेशन करने के लिए. So remember, you have to solve the difficult terms separately. That answer you put here into the main calculation part. Okay. So what is the minimum? What is the inside root? 7 minus x whole square. So let me solve that separately. 7 minus x whole square means it's in the form of a minus b whole square. Correct, children? What is a minus b whole square? I'll solve here. 7 minus x whole square, it is in the form of a minus b whole square. What is a minus b whole square? Standard identity. A square minus 2ab plus b square, or a square plus b square minus 2ab, or a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here what is there? 7 minus x whole square. That is a means 7, b means x. In place of a we have 7, in place of b we have x. So that is 7 square minus 2 into 7 into x plus x square. 7 square is 49 minus 7 2s are 14 into x plus x square. So this is our final answer of 7 minus x whole square. So shall we substitute that? So root of what is 7 minus x whole square? Let me write in standard form. First second degree, that is x square, then first degree, that is minus 14x, then constant, that is plus 49. So this is the value of 7 minus x whole square. Similarly, let me find 1 minus y whole square. 1 minus y whole square. A minus b whole square. A square, that is 1 square, minus 2 into a into b plus b square. Then 1 square is 1 minus 2 ones are 2 y plus y square. So this is the value. Shall we substitute? That is plus y square second degree, then first degree, that is minus 2y, then plus 1. Then what, children? Plus 1. Got it? Understood this? Now shall we do the calculation for this? So what are the second degree terms? That is x square plus y square, then minus 14x, 49 plus 1, that is plus 50. So we have taken x square, then we take y square, then minus 14x Okay, one more term is left out. Can you see here? Minus 14x, then y term, that is minus 2y. Correct, children? Y term is minus 2y. Now what is left out? 49 plus 1, that's nothing but plus 50. So this is the value which we have got. That is x square plus y square minus 14x minus 2y plus 50. So what is this? This is PA. Let me call this as equation 1. Let me call this as equation 1. Now let me find the RHS part. So what is RHS? That is PB. So what is the coordinates of P? That is x comma y. What is the coordinates of B? That is 3 comma 5. That's nothing but 3 comma 5. So the coordinates of B is 3 comma 5. So let me say this is x1 and this is y1 and this is x2 and this is y2. We are finding the distance between P and B, that is PB is equals to root of x2 minus x1, that is x2 is 3 minus x1 is x whole square, plus y2 that is 5 minus y1 that is y whole square. Got it, children? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equals to root of, now we got the complex part. Yes, let me solve separately. 3 minus x whole square, it is in the form of a minus b whole square. That's nothing but 3 minus x whole square, that is a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. A means 3, b means x. So it's in the form of a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. That is 3 square is 9 minus 3 2s are 6 x plus x square. Got it? Now we can write x square second degree, then first degree, that is minus 6x, then constant, that is 9. Similarly, plus what is here left out? 5 minus y whole square. So 5 square minus 2 into 5 into y plus y square. 5 square is 25 minus 2 5s are 10 y plus y square. That's nothing but y square minus 10y plus 25. If you want, you can write same as it is, 25 minus 10y plus y square. Same thing you can substitute here, no problem. Okay, so root of, now first we are taking x square term, then y square term, means x square means power 2 power 2. Now power 1, that is minus 6x minus 10y. Got it? Now what is left out? Can you see, children? We have taken x square, we have taken y square, then we have taken x term, then we have taken y term. Now left out is 9 plus 25. What is 9 plus 25? That is plus 34. 34. Now anything can be addable? No. We can subtract? No. So let me say this is equation 2. That is PB. We know that PA is equals to PB. Yes or no? We know that PA is equals to PB given in the problem. So what is PA answer? That is root of x square plus y square minus 14x minus 2y plus 50 is equals to, what is PB? X square plus y square minus 6x minus 10y plus 34 plus 34. Okay, now both the sides, what is common? Let me cancel that. Can you see, children? Here also square root, here also square root, it get cancelled. Now here also x square, here also x square get cancelled. How means? I'll tell you. Here x square is there. Now if this plus x square come this side, what happens? It becomes minus x square. So plus x square minus x square get cancelled. Yeah, same way. If both the sides, if it is having a same digit or same number, we can cancel. Why? Because if this comes to the other side, it becomes negative or positive. It changes the sign. Now plus y square get cancelled. Right? Now what is left out? Minus 14x minus 2y plus 50 is left out. Here minus 6x minus 10y plus 34 is left out. Now we can see here is minus 14x, here is minus 6x. So who is bigger? That is minus 14x come this side, what happens? Plus 14x. It means this is bigger. Understood? But minus 6x is smaller. So what you can do? You can shift x and y terms to the RHS side. That is, what does it mean? If you are getting confusion, you can do like this also. Keep this minus 14x as it is, minus 2y also as it is, minus 6x bring this side, it becomes plus 6x, minus 10y come this side, it becomes 10 plus 10y, that is equals to 34, plus 50 come this side, it becomes minus 50. It means x and y terms we have kept in LHS side, means one side, and constant numbers we have shifted to the other side. Now how much? Minus 14x plus 6x, minus 14x plus 6x. That is, in 6 can we subtract 14? No, we cannot subtract. So minus. Now 14 minus 6, how much children? 14 minus 6. Yes? Can you tell me? How much is 14 minus 6? Here 4, there 2. That is nothing but 8x. That is minus 8x. Now minus 2y plus 10y means 10 minus 2. In 10 can we subtract 2? Yes. So 10 minus 2 is plus 8y. 10 minus 2 is plus 8y. That is equals to 34 minus 50. In 34 can we subtract 50? No. No means minus. 50 minus 34. How much? That is 16. Understood? Now here minus 8x plus 8y is equals to minus 16. So what we can do here? Can we take minus as common from minus 8x plus 8y? If we have taken minus as common, so what is left out? Plus 8x. Here minus 8y. We can take minus 8 common. Can we take minus 8 as common? No, what is left out? X minus y. So you multiply this, minus into plus minus, 8 into x, 8x. Minus into minus plus, 8 into y, 8y. So we have taken minus 8 common. So x minus y. Got it? That is equals to minus 16. Got it, children? Yeah. Now what we can do here? Keep x and y term as it is. Constant numbers shift to the other side because we have to find the relation between x and y. Now we can say that x minus y is equals to minus 16 divided by minus 8. Minus 8 comes to the denominator. Minus minus get cancelled. 8 ones are 8 twos are. Therefore, x minus y is equals to plus 2. X minus y is equals to plus 2. I hope you have understood the relation. So you can write that therefore the relation between x and y is x minus y is equals to 2. So this is our final answer. I hope you have understood this problem, and next let me solve one more example so that we are going to complete the example problems of this chapter. Okay, let me solve that one more problem. Yes, observe your children's example number 5. Find a point on the y-axis which is equidistant from the points a of 6, 5 and b of minus 4, 3. Children, before we solve this problem, I like to tell you one important note. You should remember this. Whenever you get a question like this, find a point on y-axis or find a point on x-axis. Remember, so what are the coordinates on y-axis and what are the coordinates on x-axis? Suppose this is our graph. No need to write, just observe here. Here, this is our x-axis and this is our y-axis, right? On x-axis, you remember x value will be there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, x values are there, right? Let me say x is there, but the value of y is not present on x-axis, means the value of y will be 0. Always we have to mention in the form of x, y. Always we have to write first x value, then y value. So on x-axis, what is the coordinate on x-axis? X, 0. Similarly, what is the coordinate on y-axis? on y-axis x value is present? No, x value is 0, but y value will be present, that is y. So what is the coordinates on x-axis, or what is the point on x-axis? X comma 0. On y-axis 0 comma y. You should remember this condition. On x-axis x value will be there, y value will not be there, that is 0. On y-axis x value will not be there, but y value will be there. x-axis के ऊपर x की वैल्यू रहेगी, y की वैल्यू नहीं रहेगी x-axis के ऊपर. y-axis के अंदर x की वैल्यू नहीं रहेगी, y की वैल्यू ही रहेगी. y value will be present. Remember this concept? Very good. Now let we solve this problem. Children, before we solve this problem, I like to tell you that still if you have not subscribed our channel, YouTube channel Evershine Coaching Groups, do subscribe it and like. Don't forget to click the like button, and also after the end of this session you have to comment below how was this class, how much helpful or how much useful it is for you, and what is the benefit you have got from this session. You can just express what you have felt by observing this session. Okay, not only this, even if you have watched our other videos also, you can just comment in the below comment box. Okay, and also don't forget to share this to your all friends, so let they also try to learn with Faisal sir. Anyways, let me solve this problem. Here the question is, find a point on the y-axis which is equidistant from the points A and B. Means we have 2 points, so this is A and this is B. We have 2 coordinates A and B. 1 minute. We have 2 coordinates A and B. So we have a point on the y-axis. So this is the point, let me say, on y-axis. From here, let me say this point as P. From this is a point on y-axis, that is P. From P to A, how much distance is there? From P to B, same distance is there. That is, find a point on the y-axis. So let me say the point on the y-axis is 0 comma y. Understood? The coordinates of A are 6 comma 5 and B are minus 4 comma 3. Minus 4 comma 3. So he's already mentioned in the problem that find a point on y-axis. Condition is y-axis, and what is saying? They are equidistant from the points A and B. From P to A, how much distance is there? Same distance is there from P to B. So let P of 0 comma y be the point on y-axis. Shall we write, children? Let me say P of 0 comma y be the point on y-axis. As per the given data, from P to A, how much distance is there? Even from P to B, the same distance is there. That is, we know that PA is equals to PB as per the given question. Now same problem as how we did in the before case, same way we have to do. So what is the LHS part? LHS part is PA, correct, children? LHS is PA. So what is P? 0 comma y. What is A coordinates? That is 6 comma 5. x1, y1, x2, y2. So what is the distance formula? D is equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is our distance formula. So between which points we are finding the distance? That is P to A. So we can say that PA is equals to root of x2. What is x2? Plus 6 minus x1 0 whole square plus y2 plus 5 minus y1, that is y whole square. That is equals to root of 6 minus 0, that is 6. 0 means nothing. 6 minus 0 is 6 whole square plus 5 minus y whole square as it is. Remember, children, x1 is 0, x2 is plus 6. Okay. Similarly, y1 is y only, but y2 is 5. That's what we have substituted the values here. Okay, anyways, is equals to root of 6 square, that is 36, plus, let me do in the working column, 5 minus y whole square. So it's in the form of a minus b whole square. What is a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. A means 5, b means y. That is a square, 5 square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. That is 25 minus 5 2s are 10, y plus y square. So shall we substitute these values here? Right? Okay. So what is 5 minus y whole square? If you want, you can substitute directly like this also. 25 minus 10y plus y square. You can substitute like this also, no problem. Okay. Now can we add any terms? Yes. So shall we write in standard form? If you want, you can write. If not, you can just do it as it is, no problem. So if you want, you can write like this also. Y square minus 10y, 36 plus 25. How much? 36 plus 25. 6 plus 5 is 11, 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1 is 6, that is plus 61. So this is our PA. Let me say this as equation 1. Got it, children? Similarly, now we should find the RHS part, that is PB, right? Good. Now to find PB, to find the distance between P and B, that is PB. So P is 0 comma y. On y axis the points are 0 comma y. X value will not be there, but y value will be present. And similarly, the coordinates of B. What are the coordinates of B, childrens? That is minus 4 comma 3. That's nothing but minus 4 comma 3. So similarly, let me say that this is x1 and this is x1 y1, x2 y2. x1 value is 0, y1 is y, x2 is minus 4, y2 is plus 3. So PB is equals to root of x2 means minus 4 minus x1 is 0 whole square plus y2 is 3 minus y1 is y whole square. That is equals to root of minus 4 minus 0. 0 means nothing, leave it. Don't add or don't subtract anything. Just you write as it is. That is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 0 is also minus 4 only, or minus 0 is also minus 4 only. Whole square plus 3 minus y whole square as it is. That is root of minus 4 whole square means minus 4 into minus 4. Minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16 plus 3 minus y. 3 minus y whole square. It's in the form of a minus b whole square. That is a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. That is 3 square is 9 minus 3 2s are 6 y plus y square. Shall we substitute? 9 minus 6y plus y square. Okay. Now root of y square plus 6y square minus 6y, 16 plus 9. How much, children? That is plus 25. This is PB. This is nothing but PB. Let me say this is equation 2. But actually what we know that PA is equals to PB, that is LHS is equals to RHS, right? Yeah. So PA is equals to PB. So what is PA answer? Root of y square minus 10y plus 61 is equals to PB root of y square minus 6y plus 25. Are you getting, children? I hope you are understanding these values. Good. Now let me see what is common both the sides. Square root get cancelled. Y square get cancelled. Now what is left out? Minus 10y plus 61 is equals to minus 6y plus 25. Now you can take numbers one side and y terms other side. Here minus 10y, here minus 6y. Which number is bigger? Forget about minus. Just see the numbers 10 and 6. Who is bigger? 10. So try to bring this minus 10y to the RHS side so that you won't get like minus common factor, you have to remove or some kind of a calculation like what we did in the before case. So if you want your problem should be simpler, try to do this type of steps. So that is 61, let it be as it is, plus 25 come this side, it becomes minus 25 is equals to minus 10y come this side, it becomes plus 10y, then this is minus 6y as it is. Got it? Minus 10y come this side, it becomes 10 plus 10y, plus 25 come to the LHS side, it becomes minus 25. So 10y minus 6y, 10 minus 6, that is 4, that is 4y is equals to 61 minus 25. 1 minus 5 doesn't go, so 11 minus 5, how much 11 minus 5? That is 6. 5 minus 2, that is 3. Are you getting, children? Yes. 4y is equals to 36. So y is equals to 36 by 4. 4 1s are 4, 9s are 36. 4 9s are 36. Got it? Understood? Yeah. So therefore the value of y is, therefore the value of y is 9. Now we can say that therefore the point on y axis is 0, 9. We said y, right? 0, y, the value of y is 9. So the point on the y axis is 0, 9. Right, children? I hope you have understood the problem still here what we have solved. So we have covered all the work examples of your chapter coordinate geometry. I hope you all have understood these steps, how we have done, what problems we have solved. So please copy down all the problems and sit and practice. Okay, practice makes perfect, right? Practice makes man perfect. Good. So here we are going to stop this session. In our next episode, in our next part, I am going to solve your first exercise problem. Means the first exercise of this chapter. We are going to solve the problems. So that do not miss any of our sessions, and please try to watch right from the first part, so that it will be, because all our classes are interconnected with each other, interlinked with each other. That is the reason. Subscribe our channel still if you have not done it, and ask your other friends once again to subscribe this channel of Faisal sir, that is Ever Shine Coaching Groups. Okay, so see you soon. Wish you all the best of luck. Do well, keep watching, share this video. Don't forget to comment how was this session. Thank you. Do well.